Hello, I'm Michael Kirichenko. You are watching SkyWay News, where we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. From this second anniversary issue, you will find out about the progress in the creation of rolling stock, the stage of machine vision development, the construction of Unitsky stream transport facilities in the United Arab Emirates and Belarus, as well as another important event in the history of creating breakthrough skyway transport and infrastructure complexes. And now, more details about all this. With the commissioning of the new production shop, assembly and electric installation sections have been moved there. Respectively, production areas have been rearranged in the first building. Vacuum casting section, turn milling group, as well as 2 CNC machines have been transferred to a new location. Locksmith welding section is being expanded and supplemented with a modern exhaust ventilation system. A vertical 5-axis processing center produced by Okuma Corporation is expected to be delivered in the near future. We will report about all this and more in one of the next news releases. Work is also gaining momentum at Skyway Test Center. Tests of the current collector device of our own design at equivalent speeds of up to 170 km per hour are underway on the bench simulating the contact current collector, the third rail, with artificial irregularities. Early validation, that is, assessment of design completeness, provision of required functionality and absence of redundancy of elements of the multimedia system for Skyway vehicle interiors has been carried out. Visual and acoustic schemes of informing, performance rate, and also the interface have been tested with this method. This evaluation option prevents deficiencies at the inception stage of the project and helps to determine the adequacy of elements, which is especially important for minimizing financial investments. A working group was set up to create an internal document on tightening threaded joints. According to the United System of Design documentation, each threaded joint requires a mandatory indication of the tightening torque in the drawing or a reference in it to a certain document regulating clear instructions on tightening with an indication of the torque. Since there are assembly drawings containing more than 50 different threaded joints, now description of all tightening torques takes a certain period of time, which in turn slows down the process of issuing design documentation. There are standards of the Republic of Belarus and GOST regulating tightening torques of certain classes of joints, as well as joints of parts made from different materials. This internal document will make up for the lack of the existing one on joints, and as a consequence will speed up the work of designers, excluding the need to introduce these recommendations in the technical requirements to a drawing. Now our company continues to test the machine vision system in order to ensure safety of Skyway vehicles. To increase the efficiency of its operation, sensor fusion technology, merging data from sensors of various types, is used. In the video that we present to your attention, there is a training of an intelligent machine vision system on real objects, using data from various sensors, optical and radar ones. An application was submitted in Belarus for the implementation of the first commercial Skyway project, construction of a Unilight line. As planned, work continues at the construction site of a facility in Karalishevich. As for Skyway Innovation Center in the United Arab Emirates, the following works have been performed in Sharjah this week. Preparation of wooden walls in the guest house for painting. Part of the outer walls had already been painted. Installation of floors, laying of remaining communications, as well as assembly of windows in the guest house. External finishing of anchor supports. Workers had already begun to prepare the inner walls in the previous week. Works on the arrangement of foundations at intermediate supports of the second line have started. The construction site has received the first metal structures from the contractor's plant. And the most important news of the week: installation of the track structure has been finished. The following has been done under the personal supervision of Anatoly Unitsky, general designer of Unitsky Stream Technologies company, running in, testing and adjustment of systems and control program for the tropical Unicar. I will not tell you again the details of the event that became one of the main news in the Gulf countries at the end of the last week. In Skyway Innovation Center, a successful demonstration of the first line and this vehicle in operation, to the highest authorities of the Emirate of Sharjah, and subsequently to representatives of numerous organizations in the region involved in our project, took place. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of SkyWay technology over the past week. Follow the updates on the official SkyWay website. Sign up to our SkyWay YouTube channel, support our project, and in this case, not just words, no extra pomp, but actions will speak about you. Build SkyWay, save the planet.